Corona means the crown. And this was the crown virus man had to deal with to find the crown of his own freedom. We did not bring it. We knew those souls in the background been waiting to do it, to create a condition of more war and more animosity, and we had to drain them from every finances. Don't forget, I'm the master. I tested it and it worked. In the condition of Northern Ireland with the British government, we drained the assets of IRA and the loyalists, from the fuel they carried to everything else that they could get their hands on. When there was no financial strength, we got what we wanted, and we managed to establish a 300-year war into peace in the Northern Ireland territory of the United Kingdom. In my passing, documents will be released to show the effectiveness that we've been involved in Northern Ireland peace. The same system has been set up to deplete the assets of Illuminatis, which is the elite, richest, politically influential families and people on this planet, without them knowing, in the past months. The damage done to Rothschild family is beyond their imagination. All the asset investments in China was sold for pennies, and in so many ways they thought they might control China, but they lost it. Same time, the families who control the grain will find out man does not need to eat, and the grains will rot in the doldrums of their warehouses. We learned one thing from the First World War. This time, we shall not let it happen. Those of you who do not know, I explained in a very close way to the Iranian community in the last teaching. Go and search the books, and you understand one thing. During the Second World War, not much happened to Iran in so many ways. But in the First World War and aftermath, Iran lost nearly a third to a half of its population through the hand of the British government. They wanted the oil-rich states of the South. They brought plagues and they burned the fields that over 15 million Iranians died of hunger. $100 years ago. And the plan this time was the same, by those who control the grain. And this is the reason we released the cup. Man does not need no grain. This time, those of you who use the line of food to control, now you bleed to death of your own physicality in the harm and the pain you have brought to humanity. Those dying in Italy are your responsibility as much as Gates.